glam look that everyone can recreate, everyone can try. So let's get into it. Just to let you guys know that all brushes that I'm going to use are all from James Charles X Morphe brush set collection, and they're like incredible. I never really worry too much about blending it out when I put it on with the beauty blender. And then once I know it's in the even space, I normally go in with the Morphe M439 brush and just like blend it. I really need to. I honestly am nowhere near any kind of makeup artist. I enjoy it. So this is Morphe M439 brush. This is the foundation I use, by the way. Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in Ivory. That's not cute. So I know loads of people do like everything so differently with like eyebrows and then foundation, or foundation then eyebrows and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to do like my whole face, so my foundation, my bronzer, my blush, my highlight, everything, and then my eyebrows. I'm going to use the Morphe E48 brush, MUA Sun-Kissed Bronzer, which I honestly love. Onto my forehead as well. This is as good as it gets. Love an egghead. Now I would nose contour, but I cannot nose contour to save my life, so I skip that part. The HD Blur setting powder, and I love it. Do my blush and my highlight. For my blush, I use the Cabana Boy, and I use... Now, I know the Morphe E4 brush is kind of a weird brush to use for blush, but I really like it because it's an angle brush. Brush from my cheek outwards, so I like to just smile for once in my life. Put a little bit over my nose just so it blends a bit nicer. For my highlight, I always used to use the MUA and Dress Your Skin highlight. It ended up getting to the point where I would put some on and it would just go yellow. I didn't want to do that anymore. So the next best thing I found, and I think it's incredible, Morphe Artistry palette, and it is so good, and it's such a pretty highlight. It's there, and it's called Fairy. So I'm using the M501 brush. I like it. Anyone else with piercings have to like clean their piercings throughout the whole makeup process, so they don't have like foundation-y things. Now for my eyebrows. The M158 brush is honestly the best brush for eyebrows. Like, it's so thin and so sharp. It's just great for like really defining your eyebrows. For my brows, I have like two products that are my absolute fave, and one of them's the Primark brow pencil, and it's actually like so creamy, and because it's so creamy, you can blend it out with the brush so easily and so well. This one I've had for ages and everything's worn off, so I actually can't remember what it is, and it's just like a gel. It's kind of not like a gel, but kind of like a gel, but more liquidy, if that makes sense. This is really great for like really defining your brows. The pencil's kind of better for a more natural look because you can just brush them out. And so I'm going to be using this one today because it's kind of glam. Just brush my brows up so I can get the line underneath. I always sort of go from the middle outwards first, and then I bring all the product up through my brow. Like that. My brows are never even. What's new? Okay, so my camera did just stop recording, and I did kind of have a heart attack because I didn't know how much it wasn't recording for. It was literally just not recording for me brushing off my baking powder, which I literally just used the Morphe M527 brush, which is this big brush head one, and I literally just brushed off. I think this was the one. But yeah, just got all the loose powder off, and I'm pretty sure that's all you guys missed. So that's good. That's kind of everything on my face done. I'm just gonna use setting spray. It's from Primark again, and it's actually really good. It's the Glow setting spray. Like, it's just this one, and I literally love it. It's so good, and it gives you such like a nice glow. I got quite a few palettes, and I didn't really know what kind of glam look I was going to go for. I still don't know. So I might kind of use these kind of colours to do a kind of pinky, ready? Kind of like to do my crease. So I'm just going to take the M441 brush. This is the Morphe Artistry palette, by the way, and it's so good. I'm going to take FOTD as like a base colour, and I'm literally just going to go far from the out and just bring it through my crease. A little bit, blend it out. I'm just going to do the other eye. In the outer corner, just pat that in and then blend it through your crease. Oh. I'm already blending it. I'm literally like, there's no reason I'm doing this. This is purely because I was like, let's try and be pretty for a day. So I've kind of done the base for this. I'm going to go in with Sweet Beats, which is kind of a more pinky colour. I'm just going to cover my whole lid in that colour. That is a lot. So just, because this colour is a lot, it's like a few shades darker than the one before, so it's a really nice transition to go from the Sweet Beats, which is a lot darker, into the lighter FOTD. And then once it's all covered, then I'm going to blend it out. I know there's a lot of people that always try and blend as they're putting the product on. I find it so much easier if I just pack the product on and then go in later and do all the finer details and make it all pretty and stuff. And then blend it out with the lighter shade at the top. We need a bit of glam. I'm going to take the M124 brush, which is great for packing on like glitters and stuff. In this Morphe Artistry palette, it's got some like amazing, like really amazing glitters. Like there are some really nice proper glittery colours in here. The colour Persona, which is this really pretty, it's the same kind of colour of the colours I've got on my eyes at the minute, but it's just a glitter on it. But I'm going to go from the inner corner out and kind of blend it out. And then when I get to the middle of my eyelid, I'm just going to stop and then brush the glitter outwards. And then just to quickly blend along the bottom. The M152, this brush is so cute, and it's so great for just doing your under eyelash. I'm going to mix two colours for this because I don't want it to be too reddy purple, because I think that would just be a bit too much for the whole eye to be that colour. I'm going to mix Red Carpet and Fired Up, which is a orangey colour, and the kind of pinky reddy colour that we've been using, as well as just lightening the whole look up so it's a bit more light and vibrant. I think having that more orangey colour on the bottom is so nice. It gives everything kind of a different look to it. I know most people probably would have done like a cut crease with this look, but I can't do cut creases to save my life, so save that for a different day. Instead of doing proper eyeliner on this as well, recently I love like white eyeliner and stuff. I'm just going to be using the Rimmel London Wonder Swipe. Now I'm not going to use this as a proper eyeliner. To go from the centre like that. And then it can blend out into the rest. So it's kind of going on top of So it's kind of going on top of Colour Persona, but it's just bringing a little more light to it. So that's kind of the eye look complete, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some lashes on, and then we can do the lips. Lashes make all the difference, honey. Right, I'm going to use the Golden Rules mascara. It's the High Definition Lift and Great Volume mascara. I might wait for my lashes to dry a bit. I'm just going to put this on to blend. I'm not going to put too much on. Just a little bit to blend my actual lashes with my fake ones. When I do my bottom lash, I always like to scrape a bit of the mascara off the brush, because otherwise my bottom lashes always clump together. So I'm just going to scrape it off just so it's got the tiniest bit of product on it. Cool! Final kind of touch is using the Morphe M431 brush. Out of the Morphe Artistry palette, I'm going to use Light of the Party, which is another really nice kind of alternative to highlight. It's super cute. I don't know how much it stopped recording then as well, so yay. So I'm just going to quickly line my lips with this Essentials lip liner. It's just a nude and it's really, really great. This brown lipstick I got from Primark, which is really, really great. It's really, really nice, because I get chapped lips so often, like horribly, really bad. I have to put lip balm on like every 5 minutes. So these kind of lipsticks are honestly great because they're so moisturising and so creamy. Okay, cool, so this is kind of the finished look. I'm not going to bother doing my hair or anything else like that because I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally just going to take this off, have a shower and get into bed. So I hope you guys like it. Everyone go check out my other channel, my weekly vlogs. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Please smash the thumbs up on this video if it's helped you in any way for any natural glam makeup look. Go follow me on my Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. I'll leave all the links in the description down below. So if you guys have any video ideas, comment down below and let me know what you want to see me doing, or any other makeup looks you want to see me do, any products you want to see me try out, anything like that, and I'll try and get around to it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, so make sure to check back. I'm going to try and post on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays, so make sure you subscribe, put the post notifications on, and I will see you next time.